Why isn't it showing it started? Hey Hayden, will you tell me a story?
I can't tell you a story. Just try buying some milk.
Those shoes are taking forever to dry on.
My hiccups are gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because of milk. Yes.
I thought they had all weekend to dry, they'd be dry.
Well, they're just damp. They're not wet.
You're still filming me? Shouldn't you be watching the Super Bowl ads though? Because they're so funny.
I haven't turned on them.
You're gonna put this on like Vimeo or some shit?
Vimeo, it's the hipster YouTube.
Hipster YouTube. Are you gonna put it on YouTube?
Probably.
Can you edit it and like put some cool music in the background or something?
Oh, I have to do that with my